you're still only using static images for your print-on-demand store, you're leaving money on the table. Video mockups are key going into 2026, whether it's for your paid ads, your organic social media posts, or just making a highlight session on your store's website. However, hiring a model to film your products is time-consuming, expensive, and in a lot of cases, not needed. So today I'm going to show you how to generate hyper-realistic video mockups for your store in just a couple of clicks. No camera, no models, and no expensive software. Let's dive right in. Alright guys, let's dive straight into it. For this tutorial, you're going to need an account on Dynamic Mockups. So simply head over to dynamicmockups.com and click Create Mockups to get a free account. Once you're inside, you're going to have plenty of different ways to generate mockups for your store. For today, we're going to focus on Mock Anything AI. So simply head over to this Mock Anything AI section and click Create a Mockup. Now we're going to need a prompt. If you don't have a prompt, simply go to ChatGPT to generate a prompt for this purpose. I have mine already prepared, so I'm just going to paste it here. I highly encourage you to search PUD product database that we have provided here. So for this sake, I'm going to select Soft Shirts Classic PUD product. The next step is to pick your model. For the sake of the video, I'm going to select Nano Banana Pro, but you can play with other models as well. And once you're happy, you can click this arrow to generate an image. Okay, this is the final product, but before we move to the next step, we can actually customize this in one click. So you can change ethnicity, gender, hairstyles, positions, you can create custom scenes, angles, whatever you prefer to make this as unique as you want. Once you're happy, you can click Add Artwork in Color to proceed adding the artwork. This is the magic part, guys, because you don't need any Photoshop skills to do the segmentation for this. Our software does this for you, so all the hard work is on us. You just select the area where you want to place your artwork. I'm gonna select the t-shirt, obviously. Alright, this is what we have. So our software will place your artwork, in this case our default artwork, on the area you selected, and you can move it around however you want. You can increase the size, decrease the size, move it around, whatever you want. Of course, you can upload your own artwork from your computer. You can turn this into a pattern if you want to. You can change the colors, or you can also adjust different kind of settings, opacity, highlights, shadows, blend modes, etc. Alright, this is the final product. I'm happy with it, so let's explore the options in the top right corner now. The first one is obviously download, so you can click download to select different formats and sizes to get this mockup on your computer. The next one is AI photoshoot, so you can create different variations of this image. So you can select the number and just click to generate your variations. And now the final piece of the magic, video mockups. Once you select this button, it's going to open a model for you to place a custom prompt. You don't need a prompt, but you can put your own custom prompt here. I prepared mine already, so I'm just going to paste it here. You can select different video lengths, so 5 seconds or 10 seconds, and you want to include audio or exclude audio. In my case, I'm going to select 10-second video. I'm going to include the audio. It's going to take up to 2 minutes to generate this, and it's going to cost me 160 credits. So once I'm happy with everything, I can simply click Generate Video. Alright guys, as you can see, it's alive. The image is now moving. This is a 10-second video, of course. If you decide to try it out, please rate this video by giving it a thumbs up or a thumbs down. It helps us turn this model to be even better. And if you're satisfied with it, simply download the video by clicking this button. Alright guys, that was it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and find it useful. We have some other tutorials on this YouTube channel, so feel free to check them out. And until the next video, goodbye. Ciao, ciao.